Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram translation not working. So first of all, you have to update your Instagram app. So open Play Store and search here Instagram. And if you see any update available here, then you have to install the update. And now follow the second method. Open your phone settings and scroll down and tap on app management. Tap on Instagram. Tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. Also you want to clear data, so tap on clear data, and after that go and check the problem is fixed or not. And the second method is we need to uninstall our Instagram, and after that we need to reinstall Instagram app. So for that, again open your phone settings and go to app management, tap on Insta, tap on uninstall, and once you uninstalled your Instagram, go to Play Store and reinstall the app. And that's how we can fix Instagram translation not working problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.